Hello, I'm Melissa Malley and this is Kalkine's Daily Trending News. Citi's equities team suffered a staggering $50 million loss following a botched block trade of $1.9 billion worth of Goodman Group shares on behalf of China Investment Corporation. The trade, initially hailed as a significant win, turned into a debacle due to miscalculated pricing and low investor interest. The deal was launched at a tight 1.4% discount, which failed to attract buyers. By midnight, Citi was forced to revise terms, offering shares at a 4.5% discount. Despite the adjustment, only 23.4 million of the 50.4 million shares were sold, leaving the bank with unsold stock now trading below acquisition cost. The misstep has overshadowed the team's earlier success and raises questions about risk management strategies in high-stakes equity trades. Citi declined to comment on the unfolding situation. That's the latest from Kalkine's Daily Trending News.